Today we are going to start next topic, that is the cytokines. So what is meant by this cyto? Cyto means cell, keep in mind, and the kines means movement. So cyto means cell and the kines means movement. So are a broad and the loose category of small proteins that are important in cell signaling. Means these are the some small proteins and which are important in cell signaling. They are released by the cells and affect the behavior of other cells, and sometimes the releasing cell itself. Cytokines include chemokines, interferons, interleukins, lymphokines, tumor necrosis factor, but generally not hormones or the growth factor. They are only some proteinaceous chemicals, such as interferon is secreted by the virus infected cell, or interleukins, lymphokines, but they are not the hormones or growth factors. Cytokines are produced by broad range of cells including immune cells like macrophages, B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, and the mast cells. All of you know that what is the B lymphocytes and the T. Those are matured in bone marrow, that is B lymphocytes, and matured in thymus gland, T lymphocytes. So as well as the endothelial cell, fibroblast, and various stomatal cells. These are the different example of cytokines, which given a cytokine may be produced by more than one type of cell. They act through the receptor, means they react with some receptor sensory cell and are especially important in the immune system. Cytokines modulate the balance between humoral and cell-based immune responses, and they regulate the maturation, growth, and responsiveness of the particular cell population. Some cytokines enhance or inhibit the action of other cytokines in complex ways. So they are different from hormones, or which are not the growth regulator, which are also important in cell signaling molecules, in that hormones circulate in much lower concentration and hormones tend to be made by a specific kind of cells. They are important in health and diseases, especially in host responses to infection, immune responses, inflammation, trauma, sepsis, cancer, and reproduction. So the discovery of cytokines, interferons alpha and interferon type 1 was identified in 1957 as a protein, okay, and that interfere with viral replication. So the activity of interferon gamma, which belongs to the class 2, was described in 1965. This was the first identified lymphocyte derived mediator. Macrophages migration inhibitory factor was identified simultaneously in 1966. So these are the different examples of cytokines, and in this way they are discovered. So these lymphokines to describe the proteins secreted from lymphocytes, and later proteins derived from macrophages and monocytes in culture were called the monokines. Okay, so this is the discovery. In this way the different kinds of the cytokines were discovered, so which are differed from the hormones. Classic hormones circulate in nanomolar concentration that usually vary by less than one order of magnitude, but in contrast to some cytokines circulate in picomolar concentration, and that can increase up to 1000 fold during trauma or infections. Then part of the difficulty with distinguish cytokines from hormones is that some of the immunomodulating effects of the cytokines are systemic rather than local, means they affect at particular site. Nomenclature: cytokines have been classified as a lymphokines, interleukins, and chemokines based on their particular function, cell of secretion, or a target of action. Because cytokines are characterized by considerable redundancy and the pleiotropism. These are the two important things which are on which the cytokines to be based. The term interleukin was initially used by the researcher for those cytokines whose prism target and principal leukocytes. Then lymphokines produced by lymphocytes. Monokine I already explained produced exclusively by monocytes. I explained this interferon involved in antiviral responses. Chemokines mediate chemo attraction between the cells. Then classification of cytokines. Structural homogeneity has been able to partly distinguish between cytokines and that do not demonstrate a considerable degree of intensity so that they can be classified into four types, such as IL-2 subfamily, interferon subfamily, IL-10 subfamily, and these are the different classes of the cytokines. Then functional classification that proves more useful in clinical and experimental practice outside of structural biology divides immunological cytokines into those that enhance the cellular immune response, like type 1 or type 2, which favor the antibody responses. A key focus of interest has been that cytokine is one of the two subsets which tend to inhibit the effect of those in the order. Then cytokine, different kinds of the cytokine receptors are present, and that plays a very important role in immunology and enhance the immunity. So in recent years, cytokine receptors have come to demand the attention of the more investigators than cytokines themselves, partially because of their remarkable characteristic and partly because the deficiency of cytokine receptor has now been directly linked to certain debilitating immunodeficiency status. So the classification of cytokine receptors based on their three-dimensional structure, and therefore these are given here. First one, upon immunoglobulin superfamily, so which are present throughout the several cells and tissues of the vertebrate body, that is immunoglobulin, and share structural homology with immunoglobulins, means they have somewhat similar to the antibodies, cells adhesion, and even some cytokines. These are the included under immunoglobulin superfamily. Then interferon type 2 family, whose members are receptors for IBN beta and gamma. Then homobiotic growth factor, whose members have certain conserved motifs in their extracellular amino acid domain. Then tumor necrosis factor, whose members have cysteine rich common extracellular binding domain and include several other non-cytokine ligands. Then 7 transmembrane helix family. These these are included under animal kingdom. These all proteins coupled receptor. Then interleukin 17 receptor, which shows the little homology with any other cytokine receptor family. Structural motifs conserved between members of the family. Then these are the interleukin 17 receptors. Then cellular effect of the cytokine. Cytokine has the matching cell surface receptor, and the effect of particular cytokine on given cell depends on the cytokine, its abundance, presence, and abundance of the complementary receptor on the cell surface. These are the different factors responsible for the cellular effect of the cytokines. Then the role of endogenous cytokines in health and diseases. So these cytokines are often involved in several developmental processes during embryogenesis, that is embryo study and development of embryo. So cytokines are the crucial for fighting of the infections and in other immune responses. They can become dysregulated and pathological in inflammations, trauma, and sepsis. So adverse effect of cytokines have been linked to many disease states and conditions ranging from schizophrenia, depression, Alzheimer's disease, cancer. Oversecretion of cytokines can trigger the dangerous syndrome known as cytokine storm. So these are the different diseases. Here the cytokines are responsible. Medical use of cytokines as a drug, such as some cytokines have been developed into protein therapeutics using recombinant DNA technology. This is a current issue, that is recombinant DNA technology or genetic engineering, manipulation of genetic material in a predetermined way. So some of the cytokines used as a medicine. Okay, so bone morphogenetic protein used to treat the bone related condition, erythropoietin which are used to treat the anemia, granulocyte colony stimulating factor which are used to treat the infection of some cancer, granulocyte macrophages colony stimulating factor which are used to treat the fungal infection in cancer patient. interferon alpha, which are used to treat the hepatitis C and multiple sclerosis. Interferon beta, which are used to treat the again multiple sclerosis. Interferon 2, which are used to treat the cancer. Interferon 11, which are used to treat the patient of thrombocytopenia in cancer patients. Interferon gamma, which is used to treat the chronic granulomatous disease and the osteopetrosis. So cytokines and the immunity. Cytokines are signaling molecules produced by T lymphocytes, macrophages and other cells. Because cytokines regulate the white blood cells formation and their function, they are being investigated as a possible adjunct therapy for cancer and the AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Both interferon and interleukins, which are cytokines produced by various white blood cells, which have been used as a immunotherapeutic drugs, particularly to enhance the ability of the individual own T cells to fight the cancer. So these are the some functions of the cytokine related with immunity. And then in next lecture we will study about immunity side effects, then what are the allergy, tissue rejection and disease of the immune system, that is so many different autoimmune disorder. So students, thank you very much for today's session.